Cold open. Ever wondered how your refrigerator keeps your food fresh? Let's dive into the creation process. From blueprint to kitchen, the journey of a refrigerator is a marvel of modern engineering. Initially, sheets of steel are cut and bent to form the body. Insulation comes next, sandwiched between the inner and outer shell to keep the cold in and the heat out. The heart of the refrigerator, the compressor, is then installed. This device compresses the refrigerant gas, pumping it through the system to create a cycle of cooling. Next, the electrical system is wired up, powering everything from the light bulb to the temperature controls. Finally, after rigorous quality checks, the refrigerator is ready to chill your food for years to come. From sheets of steel to a fully functioning appliance, that's the journey of your refrigerator. This marvel of engineering is a testament to human ingenuity, keeping your food fresh and your drinks chilled. Output: